Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Capital One 360, access savings and checking accounts step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or launch the Capital One app on your phone. If you are using a browser, type CapitalOne.com in the address bar and press enter. On the home page, find the Sign In button near the top of the page. Click Sign In to open the login page for Capital One accounts. Confirm you are on the official site by checking for the lock icon and HTTPS in the address bar. In the username field, carefully type your Capital One username. In the password field, type your password exactly as you created it. If you are on a personal device, you can select Remember Me to save your username for next time. Click the Sign In button to continue to your account dashboard. If you are asked for a verification code, choose how you want to receive it, such as text or email. Enter the verification code you receive and submit it to complete secure sign-in. If you are on the mobile app, tap Sign In and allow any Face ID, Touch ID, or fingerprint prompt if enabled. After logging in, look for your Capital One 360 accounts listed on the main dashboard. Tap or click your 360 checking account to view your available balance and recent transactions. Tap or click your 360 savings account to view your balance, interest details, and activity. To see full transaction history, select the Activity or Transactions option for the account you opened. To search a specific transaction, use the filter or search tools if they are available on your screen. To transfer money between checking and savings, choose Transfer and select the From and To accounts. Enter the amount you want to move and choose the transfer date if you see that option. Review the transfer details and confirm to submit the transfer. To set up direct deposit or get routing and account numbers, open the account and look for account details. To pay bills from 360 checking, select Bill Pay or Payments and follow the on-screen setup steps. If you forgot your username or password, click Forgot Username or Password on the sign-in page. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and create a new password if needed. If your account becomes locked after several attempts, wait for the lockout period or use the recovery options provided. For extra security, go to Settings or Security and turn on two-factor authentication if available. When you finish banking, click or tap Sign Out to protect your account, especially on shared devices. Close the browser tab or the app after signing out to fully end your session. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.